This is a 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. Its top features and packages include air conditioning with automatic climate control, Bluetooth cell phone integration, cruise control, XM satellite radio, trailer wiring, fog lamps, tinted glass, a low tire pressure indicator, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Jupiter Chevrolet is located at 11611 LBJ Freeway in Garland. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.